There is a vision procedure that has grown in popularity over the years, changing the lives of people who have worn glasses or contacts. I can testify to this because it's changed my life. With us today to tell us more about LASIK is Dr. Carlos Manrique with Manrique Custom Vision Center. Thank you for joining us today.
Yeah, thank you for inviting me. This is great.
Absolutely. Well, first of all, tell us, how long have you been doing these LASIK eye surgeries?
Oh, it's amazing how fast time passes. I started in the 90s, so I have been for over 20 years performing this surgery. I was one of the first ones in the US.
We can cross credibility off the checklist. You are very credible. Now you can really show off how many procedures have you done?
Oh, that's very amazing. I always amaze myself, but we have helped so many people. We have done over 50,000 of the laser vision correction surgeries.
And for anyone who doesn't know, tell us a little bit about what LASIK is.
Well, laser vision correction, or LASIK, is the common name that we use. What we do is with a laser, we hit the front of the eye, or the laser touches the front of the eye and reshapes, it changes the curvature. And what it eliminates, of course, are the most common things, which are nearsightedness, farsightedness, and astigmatism. Astigmatism is irregularity of the shape of the eye. But nowadays, we also correct even for people who wants to eliminate their need for reading glasses.
Now, you mentioned you've been doing this since pretty much the beginning. I know in the beginning they used a blade to do the LASIK eye surgery. Are you still doing that?
Well, that's not anymore. Actually, my office was one of the first ones in the world that started using blade-free technology. And it just has become so extremely safe, and more than anything else, a lot more comfortable. It's a lot easier on the patient. It's the recovery that tends to be very fast. I mean, pretty much in my office, everybody defines the happiest day of the week in my office is the day after we did surgery, because all the patients are coming for the 1 day post-op and they're incredibly excited. Everybody's laughing.
Now, you mentioned that you can treat nearsightedness, farsightedness. You can even help with some reading disabilities and astigmatism. What about cataracts? I know a lot of people are looking for surgery on that.
Correct. That's different. The cataract is a condition. So it's more of a change that happens to 100% of us as we get older. We can pretty much, as I said, help almost everybody. And it's with one or other different technology.
Wonderful. And the big question is, what about the cost? I imagine something like this could be pretty pricey.
Well, one thing I have made sure is that a lot of these things, of course, people has to pay from their pocket. So what we try to do always is to make it affordable. And as part of the affordability is we offer payment plans, and we try to help everybody just figure it out. So, a lot of patients, it may cost them less than what they spend every month on contacts.
Exactly, especially if you've been wearing them all your life, it pretty much balances itself out.
Plus,
yeah.
you don't wear them anymore.
Exactly. Well,
yeah.
I think our friends at home are intrigued, and many people probably have more questions or possibly need a consultation. Lucky for you, if you're watching now, we have a special code for you guys. Text the word LASIK, LASIK, to 45384. You're going to get a special discount so you can visit the Manrique Custom Vision Center and find out if this surgery is for you. I can testify it is life-changing. I would do it again and again as long as I can to ensure that I don't have to wear glasses. Thank you so much for all this information. We send you blessings and hopefully lots of people who are interested in changing their lives with LASIK.
Thank you. We're always there to help everybody, and thanks for having us today.